Well, guys, it's been wet here. I mean, unusually wet. It's been raining off and on for about 4 or 5 days now. Yesterday we had 30%. The sun did come out for a little bit, and I swear I think every neighbor within miles was mowing. So yeah, the grass was definitely getting out of hand. But we got it all knocked down yesterday, and then last night it poured the rain down and stormed, and yeah, it's still a little damp out. It's overcast, but I thought I'd take a walk and show you guys just what rain does to this place. So I was noticing when I mowed my path yesterday, the colors have definitely changed. And yeah, we're gonna walk today. I'm not taking the mule. There's absolutely no wind, and I just think walking down this path is much more enjoyable. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Yeah. I think that's gonna be my thumbnail. Wow. That is just some awesome color going on there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this part of the property other than just to leave it like this. A little over 2 acres back here, I believe. So the neighbors behind us have extended the height of that fence, and all I've seen in there is cattle. But usually when they do that, they'll either put llamas or something else in there. But yeah, they raised that fence up considerably. I try to keep it cleared out back here, but this stuff just grows so fast. Not seeing any butterflies today. Normally this place has millions of them, but I guess they're all hiding from the rain we had last night. Yeah, like I said earlier, yesterday I think everybody was out mowing, because we're supposed to get rain for the next at least 3 or 4 days, they say. I want to go over and look at the neighbor's yard. Pretty sure he intentionally does not mow this, because we start out at the top up there with bluebonnets, and as we graduate down, we turn into the reds and oranges, and we keep on going down the hill. It's like snow flowing down. So yeah, this whole hillside just changes color as it goes up and down, and then over the months it switches around. But yeah, that's a nice piece of property. I bet you if I didn't mow my yard, it would turn into something like this. But that is so cool. So over here you can see at the top of the hill we have bluebonnets. They started been thinning out some, and then as we transition down the hill, And I call it a hill, but it's really just a gradual slope. There's some pretty white ones out there. But yeah, so we go from blue to red and orange and yellow. And then as we come around this line of bushes, it transitions to white, and it's a flowing white. So almost looks like snow cover. That is just so awesome. Yeah, my still camera just does not catch the color. All right, well, I'm gonna go put this together now. Yeah, this is sort of what my yard looked like yesterday. And then we transition from not mowed to mowed. And it's just peaceful this morning. Very nice for a walk. Drink my coffee. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna go in and start the day. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'll see if I can figure something out. Thanks for watching.